Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all doing alright. So guys, today I am making this video because recently I ordered a product from Amazon renewed program. So guess what, I bought it a Galaxy S22 Ultra from Amazon renewed store. I wanted to try like how's this service and all. That's why I bought it. And also I wanted to upgrade my existing OnePlus 8T mobile that I am currently owning. I wanted to upgrade that, and that's why I go with the Galaxy again, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I wanted to buy S24 actually, but it's quite expensive right now. I don't want to buy that one, so I tried with this go with this S22 Ultra. I know it's a little bit older device, but it's quite competitive compared to the current S24. It's not that not for difference. Size and everything looks same. I think performance is not up to the mark, but it's still everything's good compared to. So guys, for you I'm going to go do an unboxing also, and also going to share an experience how's this I find this product. Is it a good to try Amazon renewed store or not? So I'm going to do that also. So let me go home and do a quick unboxing of this product when I get a time. So just stay with me if anybody interested and want to buy a S22 Ultra or Galaxy renewed phone from the Amazon. So let's see how it go. Okay guys, so I am back at the home, and now I am going to do a quick unboxing of this new smartphone. Oh sorry, it's a renewed smartphone from Amazon, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I'm going to unbox for you guys. So let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, very simple, easy, fast. Okay, so there is another box inside this box, so that's good. They make it safe. So I bought it Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra Phantom Black renewed product. I don't know it's a new or not, but let's see. Let's do a quick unboxing guys. Ooh, okay, very nice packaging. I feel like, I think, I don't know, this is just a cable, I think. Very nice. They also provide a charger, compatible charger, I think. That's good. And this is the phone guys itself, and this is some information regarding Amazon renewed program. I'm not going to read right now, so I put it in a side, and this is the package. Let me open that guys. It's a little bit hard. I need to make some more force guys. Let me open first. Okay, I also remove this package guys, and this is the phone guys. Okay, so this is a S22 Ultra guys. Looks new to me, almost new. Maybe somebody use it very carefully. I think have case and everything, I think. Okay, very nice. Looks very nice guys. They also install the this screen protector in the front. That's also nice. So this is how it looks guys, 22 Ultra. So some people have a question why I bought this S22 Ultra. So I again wanted to make it clear. So first reason is the price, definitely, because I wanted to buy S24 Ultra, but I don't find a good deal. It's like 1300 bucks right now, and I don't want to spend that much of money. This one cost me half of the money, like around $600, so not bad. That's why I go with this one. And I think it's almost identical. It's have almost all similar size and everything's camera, I think almost similar, everything is similar, not a major much difference. I think it's just a processor is a good, and they have some AI feature. I don't care about that AI feature. I'm not interested in that things. I'm not going to use it anyway, because I don't want to. Mostly I use my using my YouTube and all, watching content most of time. So I like to have the big phone. That's why I want to have a big phone. Also I want to use it for my work, and that is the main reason. So guys, hope you have clear idea why I go with this one. It's just a 2-year-old phone, and I think the company is still going to support for another 2 year. So that also a plus for buying this. It's have a very nice screen. Battery life I think is not a bad. Also it's I think give a 7 to 8 hours of on screen time, so not bad. That's also a good thing. So this is the reason why I go with this one. Let me know if you have any other more question about this phone or anything in comment down below, so I try to reply if I find it if useful content. So let's do a quick startup for this mobile, guys. Definitely they have battery in the left, so you might not able to see it clearly because there is a screen protector on it. So I am not sure how's the screen is, but there is no crack or anything. I feel like on phone completely okay, little bit minor maybe, but not crazy. Hope it's not okay. So it's a freshly start, so they I think reset the phone already. That's also very good. They comes with this kind of a charger, a compatible charger. I think Samsung don't even provide the charger, so that also good. They providing in a renewed program, and they comes with the cable also. That also a good thing. So I tried use the charge later. I don't know how much left battery. It's a 13% right now battery. So I try to start. I don't want to start right now. Start. Let's see. Its screen look good. There is, I don't feel there is a big scratch or anything. There is some, so I need to set up whole phone, and I come back again with this after the setup and everything, and show you how's the phone look inside. So just stay with me to see that. And I also going to post the camera quality and all. So that also, if anybody interested in watching the how's the camera quality for S22, then I'm definitely going to post that also in this video. So hope you guys liked my unboxing video up till now. Just stay with me if you guys interested in watching more on this. So after connecting to the Wi-Fi, it's setting up my phone. So currently it's doing some setup and everything. I might need to set up a little bit, and later on I will show you what's go show up inside. But it's I am currently happy with so far so good. I don't find any issue. Let's see everything else. I also need to charge because it's just a 12% battery, so I also need to charge with this charging cable. Let's see. Once it charge, I will get back to you. Okay guys, so finally my phone just set up, and it's just up and running. Everything's look good. The S Pen also working perfectly alright. I feel like it's a new phone because it's like definitely it's not used that much for sure. I feel like because it's the quality of the product is very nice right now. Not so much of scratches and all, so that's really nice. It's good, working very fast. You can see it's good, and S Pen also working as expected. Everything's look good. Oh yeah, App Store also open very fast, crazy. So this is what I want, guys, from Samsung, guys. I am expecting this kind of result. from Samsung. Let me put on this surface because I don't want to make it scratch. I'm waiting for my case to come up. Once my case for this phone come up, I will install it and use it and set up my whole thing in this phone now later on. But for now I just show you for like this. So let me open any game or anything. If something, okay, I don't know, let me open the browser. Let's open the Best Buy. Accept and continue. No thanks. Okay, so my phone is open now. Let me open my S23 Ultra. Let me search that. Okay, let's open any website. Samsung.com. okay, let's open that. So yeah, it's fast. It's definitely fast. It's load very fast. So that's good thing. This is what I expect from the Samsung. I really like the performance of this phone already. Hoping it's not get bad in the later. So there are plenty of setting from the choose from the top. You can see there are plenty of settings. Let me change to the eye comfort mode. This is I always use like this because I like this way. I don't like the vivid colors and all. I just like this type of color more. Dark mode, you can change it to the dark mode. That's nice. I also like this kind of theme. You can have all the functions are here. Easy to go in the setting. Yeah, let's see the storage. How's the storage? General management. No, not here. Software, about the phone, and battery and device care. Let's see first this one. Checking the battery life. How's the battery? Okay, storage is already 218 GB is available. Currently it's a 12 GB RAM in the phone, so that's good. Enough RAM for the phone. Battery status. How's the battery status? Battery condition. It's not showing up here. I don't know how I get the battery information. View detail. Let's see. Last 7 days. But I don't know how I check the battery status, but device care, no. So I will check that thing later, but it's look like a good phone to me. Hope you guys get an idea what I'm trying to say. So I find it like a good service from the Amazon. I'm going to try this phone for a week and check everything is working perfectly. All the settings like Wi-Fi and everything I check, and once I find it like perfect, then I keep this phone. Otherwise I am going to send back to the Amazon because I have 90 days to return this product if I don't like it. That's the very good thing about this Amazon Renewed program. So I'm going to test out everything. I tried my best to find out everything about this phone, and later I check if it's good product or not. Hope you guys find this review good. I'm also going to show you how's the camera. Let me open that. I forgot actually, so let me open that also. Let me take a picture of like any product. Let's see, I take a picture of this one. Let's see how it look. How's the detail? Let's see. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's not bad. So camera also good. I think for enough for me. I don't expect like a DSLR performance from this phone, but it's good enough for me. I'm going to use more for making a video on YouTube. I'm definitely going to use this phone to make more videos on it. So far so good. Hope you guys like this video. I just wanted to share and make a video for you guys so you get an idea about this all thing about Amazon renewed program and all. Hope you guys like this. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care. Thank you. And just subscribe to my channel. I forgot to mention that. Just subscribe to my channel if you guys wanted to have more content coming out from this Samsung S22 or any other technical content. Then definitely check out my channel and subscribe to it, and turn on the bell notification, guys. Just like, share and subscribe, guys. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.